Look at that. The walls are black. That's why it's so dark. A lot of stuff has happened in the past few weeks, so I will try to make it quick and get you up to date. This 78 Cadillac Seville, I bought it from an auction. The only reason I bought it was because it's inspected. It was super cheap. Yeah, another thing, a big compressor that I bought off of Facebook Marketplace. This arrived yesterday. The ceiling, which is mostly finished, is gonna be painted black. The walls are gonna be painted white. I'm gonna paint the walls also black, then I'm pretty sure it's gonna be super dark in here. Even though I have a lot of light up there. But it's still, the black paint on the walls is gonna absorb the light, I think. Except for maybe some part of this wall. This is where the man cave area is gonna be. I bought the couches, I bought the refrigerator. Here, where we have the sitting area, is gonna be somewhere around here. On the ceiling, I'm gonna put 20 centimeter exhaust duct, basically, because I'm also gonna smoke cigars in here. I don't wanna have that cigar smell here. So I need to build a super efficient exhaust for that. I think I am gonna start with the door. Now I have to insulate the door wall and then put OSB there, and then I can start installing the door, which didn't come with any manual. Like, they usually want to sell the installation themselves, so it didn't have any manual. So, but I found one on the internet, and I'm pretty sure that this is the right one. So I'm gonna do the installation myself, obviously. See those things there? The springs, these are scary. Putting tension on those springs, I've seen people hurt themselves, so I'm not super excited about that one. But that's the whole situation. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do.
Everything one, check. Everything I do, pack a punch, back it up, stack it up to the sky, now rack it up. Planet of the brakes won't sink, just swim. The master blaster boombox on 10, throwing Hail Mary, some I ain't trying to pass it. It's still very on to the casket drops. I accelerate to the pedal brakes. When we celebrate, I make you levitate. First in, last to leave, always. Reign supreme, victory on stage. I come alive when the pyro hits from the 213 to the 416, yeah. Opposition, I don't see none. Just me and me going up on a run. Competition, I don't need none. Just 1v1, v1, v1. It's all on, all year, all night. It's all on to the sunlight. Opposition, I don't see none. Just 1v1, v1, v1, v1. Right here, right now, right quick. I'm on a UFO, extraterrestrial trip. Come through stomping with my boots on, just to watch you freeze like the U.
Since we've actually decided to paint the walls black, as well as the ceiling, then I think I have to spray this part of OSB black, because I can't paint it after I have the door installed. I'm gonna go get the black spray paint and paint this part, and then I'm gonna install the door.
Drop the boom, it ain't. 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 Bass that we drop, bass that we drop, bass that we drop, bass that we drop. Drop the boom, it ain't. 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 Bust out the gates, I'm back. Shake some, break some, put your hands up, shit. We take none. Look here, try to tell you this was our style all along. Blow the subs out clean off of one song, yeah. Bake it up, rake it up again, take it up again. Feel that bad dog waking up again. Bite like mangoes, take those chunks out your payroll. CA, double the M's, you know my name, oh yeah. Ayy, got me popping off now. Highs on deck, but let me drop it all down and wake the neighbors. Fuck.
Good morning, it's 7 a.m. This is basically where I left off yesterday with the door, because it got a bit late. I finished like 11, 12 p.m. I'm gonna continue. I got one of the ceiling bars done, so I'm gonna do the other one. Then I can finally install the last piece of the door, and then I can start installing the springs. I'll finish the coffee and get on with it. Alright, so I think I need to shift my focus on this wall before the guys arrive, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna close this one first. So I need to run the cables. There's gonna be a TV here, there's gonna be some sockets in the corner, in the bottom, by the window. So I'm gonna drill some holes to like 10-15 centimeters from the bottom through the beams, so they know that they run in the same line. And then I'll run those cables in here and let's do it. I went through the corner with one of the cables because I also want to have some sockets on this side, because this is going to be like the man cave corner, the cigar lounge. So I want to have like table lamps or the floor lamps, something cozy in here. So I'm having sockets down there. This is obviously where the TV table is going to be, so the sockets down there, and there's TV on the wall. And then this is like where, obviously, where if the car is here, this is where the two-post lift is going to be. Then I wanted to have like something along that wall if I'm going to have like a tool cart to charge the batteries or, you know, whatever. And this is where the actual switchboard is going to be, the distribution board. Yeah, I'm obviously going to put something down there, I think. Oh yeah, and this is another place. I marked this as part of the man cave corner. One of the sockets down there, probably where the fridge is going to be. And the sitting area is going to be like this, like a L shape, so you can actually see what's going on over there. So this one's done. Hopefully the guys are coming. It is 8:38 already. I don't know. I thought they would be here by 8. Yeah, so obviously need to close this, close the corner, and then start closing the OSB.
I can send it up, I can send it up, I can send it. I can send it up, I can send it up.
Check, we broadcasting. Ain't nobody ask, we splashing. Beats that had boom, now we moving massive. Breaking you down in the bass, spitting acid. I'm back in my zone, the top gun of the Maverick. Like used elastics, bro. It's really not a stretch. These dudes is plastic, yo. They really not a threat. Looking chilly on the neck and out of pocket. I'm locked in. Presidential rollie, bust it down and give it drop kicks. Now let me pop off, make it look easy. I come through like, give me one reason that I can shut them down, switch up the season, freeze them, flash the cash and I'm cheesing. Lay it all down, cause there's no slowing up.
I can send it up, I can send it up, I can send it.
Make way when we all rolling up.
I can send it up, I can send it up, I can send it.
Straight to top of the tops now. We take them, make more, it's a lock now. Lay it all down, cause there's no slowing up.
I can send it up, I can send it up.
Let's see how that goes. Not well. So yeah, I think I need to measure the diagonals because this one is bent to the left. And it felt kind of off when I was putting it straight because I measured it from that wall, the equal distance, this and this. But I guess it's wrong. Gotta figure it out. Second try. Okay. I think I should tighten the springs one more turn because it's at 13.7 and I need 13 on both. But finally at the point where I can start painting the walls, at least two walls that are almost completely colored with OSB, and the ceiling, because I want to start installing the sockets, the light switches, and the fuse box as well. So I have to paint that part, and then the part where the sitting area is gonna be. So I want to paint this wall over there so that we can mount the big TV here and put down the carpets and lights and the tables and yeah, everything. And also some section of this wall where the shelves are gonna be. We actually have the shelves ready to be put together. So I'm gonna paint as much as the OSB is installed. As you can see, there's a little bit left because we ran out of the insulation. So that's why we couldn't finish that. Yeah, but let's cover the floor and start painting. done for the day. What do you guys think? So this, I did 2 layers. It looks almost perfect. The other walls and the ceiling has only 1 layer on it. So I have to do the second layer on them as well. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I don't feel too good today. So I will have a rest. I will continue tomorrow to repaint the whole wall again. And maybe even paint the whole ceiling if I have enough paint. I don't know, we'll see. But I do want to finish this corner here, the ceiling and the walls. So I could move the couches and set up the TV, fit the sockets, fit the switchboard and all that. So yeah, this is the aim. I'm gonna wrap this up. Hopefully next time you will see the whole thing painted. Hopefully install the shelves. Move everything in here from the old garage, all the tools and supplies and parts and whatnot. And then I can finally start working on the first car here in the garage, which is this. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.